pain, no hurt. We'll go dreaming. No words, no talk. We'll go dreaming. No pain, no hurt. We'll go dreaming. No words, no talk. We'll go dreaming. No pain, no hurt. We'll go dreaming. No words, no talk. We'll go dreaming. No pain, no hurt. We'll go dreaming.
Thousands of Palestinians have taken to the streets of Gaza in angry funeral processions.
UN sources say that the civilian population in the south has been the target of rocket barrage after rocket barrage.
The Persian Gulf is one of the most strategically important sectors of water in the world.
A fifth of the world's oil passes through this narrow strait.
Ladies and gents, gather round, let's take an intermission. The industry is strung out, it needs an intervention. Camdis and Jay, they cleared Irv Gotti. Nas signed the Def Jam and 50 signing everybody. And BET is on some other shit. They can laffy taffy all day, but can't play little brother shit. And if you buying it, they selling it. No 106 for Daylight, cause they said they not relevant. And that ain't right, you either too soft or too thug. Bottom line, I think the game need a group hug. Need a new Buster tattoo, a new Snoop drug, a new attitude called let the artist recoup love. But that won't happen, and I probably won't sell, cause I don't know Nate Dogg, and I can't afford Pharrell. And Paul Wall ain't answer my call or my email. I tried to make it better, but I failed, oh well.
be the voice for the hood, straight aggravation. Need less welfare and more job placement. Dough chasing, the thug life fascinating. Little shorties running wild like imaginations. Conversations with young kids catching cases. Wristwatch should be the only time that you facing. Hood nation, they sell crack just for some food. Grew up with rats, I ain't talking about Sammy the Bull. If you ain't got a good lawyer and some bail money, then when you see the cop cars, you should bail money. It's not funny, swallow pride just to survive, but we strive. More baby mamas than wives, please get at me if you're down to break the cycle. We need to reach out and touch the kids like Michael. Men rise up, young ladies wise up. Gotta get together and fight before time's up. Let's make it better.
We can make it better if we put our heads together. We can make it better. We can make it better. We can make it better if we try to come together. We can make it better. We can make it better.
Bombs, grenades, raided by armed brigades. Dirt placed on Marine and Army graves. Thought it would calmly fade, but in the midst, earthquake victims, hurricanes, and tsunami waves. First aid relief funds, countries at a deficit. The richest nation is poor, my future ain't definite. We're old with seniority, should have dough that's assuring me. So how the hell we running out of social security?
Cars blowing up, troops showing up, flight plans slowing up, price at the gas pump going up. Another suicide mission's what he sent us on, cause he lied about a plane hitting the Pentagon. Another soldier in Iraq and he panics. He's dead on the ground with other black and Hispanics, dying for a country in the world where there's no peace. While back home his brother got shot by the police.
This is